Okay, let's do something here. What I'm going to do is going to replace this. You can see why. The other reason is because the tabs that hold in place, the rear one, is actually broken. I got the new ones already, so let's get to work. What I'm going to do first is remove these screws, and we can use a 5/16 branch, or you can use a flat screwdriver. I'm gonna try the branch first. These screws, I'm gonna try to replace them too. I got some. I hope that they fit in here. Pretty similar to this because these are all rusty. Well, what can you expect? This is a 2006 Town & Country. Okay, you can use this handle, and look at that. That's all messed up, all broken. Okay, now next we are going to disconnect these connectors because the new headlamps, the new sets come with the lights already in there. So you need to pull the tabs. I saw. Pull the tab, and then you're gonna press on this tab and pull the connector out. Oops, not too hard because it might break. Tap out. You can wiggle it a little bit, and then how am I going to do this? All right. Okay, it looks like I have to force this out. Ah, there. So you have to force it out. So here is the old thing. Okay, let me get the other light. Here's the first one. We're gonna start with the left. There it is. As you can see, it comes already with the lights, with the light bulbs in there. Okay, let's get over it. So what I'm gonna do here is this one right here. Push it in and then push the tab in to lock it in place. Same with the other one. The other way, like this. Push it in. Then we're gonna push this thing in here. What happened? That really that wide? Okay. Let me figure something out. You can see this is a little wider. from. Nope. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to widen this. Not too much now. A little more. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's see. Now, let's remove the stain. And let me get the screws. So this is what I was able to find. Similar. And it's probably not gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Yeah. You know what? Never mind for now. I'm going with the originals. Okay, I tried to use new screws, but I wasn't successful. I don't want to risk damaging the tabs. What's going on here? Okay, there it is. Okay, it should be better. Or not. Look at that. I cannot believe this. Okay. Try not to over tie. That should do it. Look at that. Big difference. Let me turn them on. What did I do? Nothing on? Yeah, it is on. Okay, nice. You can see it's pretty easy. All right. This is the one. So the right size of screw is 6 mm. Right here, M6 1.00. There, that's it.